Hey, what's up, Moraware? Come on in. My name's Matt Balsley. I am the general manager here at Dominis Stone in Tukwila, Washington. I've been in the industry for about 10 years now or so. Started off just as a templater, then an estimator, outside sales manager to general manager now. I'm happy that Moraware is here today to take a look at the place and go through some of our processes. As we come into here, we have a top-of-the-line, state-of-the-art showroom, in my opinion. We have all of our samples and everything we offer over here. What this does is it gives customers a perspective of what they can get in their house. You can see we have hundreds of samples, mitered edges, waterfall legs, boxed islands. Want to try to create all the options and let them see what's achievable. As we come through here, we have our sales department. That's Evan over there. We use CounterGo for our quotes. This is very important, and the beauty of it is you get the plans, you get the quote, and you can actually see your slab usage. You can import slab images, do vein layouts to create a realistic expectation to the customer when they come in. Customer comes in, they walk in, they have a set of plans, we can get them a quote in 10 minutes. The goal is to be quick, efficient. You look at his screen right here. If he goes to step 5, you can see how the pieces lay out on the slabs and know exactly how many slabs you need. So that's super beneficial for us because no fabricator wants to buy more slabs than they need. So what we came from to where we're at now, the time saving it's huge. I mean, if you have like a 350 unit complex, you're saving probably 4 or 5 hours. So as most vendors and suppliers and partners in the industry know, this is Yoda. He's our company mascot. He's a golden retriever. He's been here since he was a little pup. He likes to welcome and greet and get lots of love. Okay, your time to shine's over, bud. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Yoda. So as the customer comes in, you know, we use CounterGo for our main quoting portal part of Moraware. Once the quote's done and everything, then it transfers over to Systemize, and we use that for the whole entire job setup, from the template to the order material to the install. The adjustability behind it is what I really like. You can really nerd out on it, I guess you could say, and really fine tune it to where it works really well. But the scheduling system, the dependencies and all that stuff, you gotta have it. You know, that's what makes this company flow, is Systemize. And here's the shop. So down here, this is where all the magic happens. I mean, it really does. We have all of our remnants stored over there for future use. And then the production starts from this point forward. So here you got your backsplash machine, miter machine. That's our programming room, where all the programming happens for the CNC routers and the Baca. Currently it's just getting done cutting, so he's offloading the pieces. And what he'll do is he'll offload those, then it'll swing over here, and it'll cut this slab right here. It's a continuous cutting process, and then those pieces will go over here to the routers, and then go to the finish area as we continue through. So every single slab that you see here, even in the remnants, everything is in Systemize inventory. It has a barcode, a name, a label, everything. The guys know exactly what slab's on the job. They know exactly what slab to pull and cut. It is the best situation you can ask for as a fabricator, especially when you have 300 slabs sitting in your racks. And then this is the finish area. This is where they get the final touch on everything. And so they do have a computer with a calendar view that shows exactly what's on their calendar today to do in this area, what needs to be done in that area, and then what needs to be done on the saw as well. So it's just cutting this day, polishing this day, finishing this way, and out the door it goes. And without Systemize, you couldn't have that. You know, Google Calendars and everything are great if you're doing 1 or 2 kitchens a month, but when you're doing 15 to 20 kitchens a day or houses a day, you need some type of system that's going to tell you what needs to get done. And Systemize is what we use for that, and it's amazing. All right, Moraware, thanks for coming and seeing Dominis Stone in Tukwila. You've seen it all. I've got stuff to do. There's the parking lot. Have a good day, guys.